Good morning, Middle School East. It's Mrs. Anderson here. We are going to go through what you will be missing today as a part of your absence here. So we are continuing our moon phase lab. We'll show a quick clip from Over the Moon. It's on Netflix if you want to watch that. Just reiterating what the Earth looks like from the moon with the sun. Today is Wednesday. We are doing the second day of our moon phase lab. Tomorrow we'll be working on our eclipse mini book. So today we'll mostly be wrapping up our moon phase lab that we started yesterday. And then maybe if we have time, starting our folding process for the mini book. But our learning target today is I can model the different phases of the moon. We'll have a new do now question where you'll need to name these 4 moon phases. So you will look at this and see the light is on the right. That means that's a waxing crescent. Light on the left here, that means that's a 3rd quarter moon. Light on the right again, that means that's a waxing gibbous. And light on the right, again, that's our 1st quarter moon. So you would need to know those. We'll watch a quick video on the phases of the moon from the History Channel. And then we'll be working on our lab. So yesterday, if you were here, we worked through position 1 and some people got started on position 2. So we will remodel this position 1 in class today. We will give a couple of examples using a light so that you can see what this would look like from a bird's eye view. We'll go over our groups and we will talk a little bit about how the sun's rays, imagining that the sun's rays are always going the same direction. The sun doesn't move. We move around the sun. So, but the moon, the same portion of the moon is always lit. It's just from Earth's perspective what we can see. So when we had we're looking from Earth towards the moon, and when the moon is between the Earth and the sun, we see just the shadowed side of the moon. So on your book here, or on your booklet, you would have shaded this moon in just the halfway here, so the side facing away from the sun is shadowed, and then diagram 2, you would shade this one all the way in, showing that that's a new moon. Then we'll be working through all the different positions of the moon that the moon's orbit goes in, and you will tell me what does it look like from above, what does it look like from the Earth's perspective, and then for every other moon phase, you will say what Earth looks like from the moon's perspective. But I'm assuming you don't have these models at home, so we'll just have to get you caught up when you come back. When students finish early, I will have this moon phase simulator on the smartboard so that students can kind of toggle through the different phases of the moon with the simulator. I will also link this in Google Classroom. It is just really helpful to see in a real time what the moon looks like in each phase and how it relates to the sun. So I will put that in Google Classroom so that you can use that as well. And then to finish off, we have a short video of what it would be like if we lost the moon and all the ways that the moon affects us here on Earth. So it will talk about the lack of the tilt in on our axis, which would affect our seasons. We talk about the lack of tides and lack of waves. And it will just hopefully make a little bit more sense of how the moon's relationship with Earth affects us. If we had time, we have a Kahoot, but I'm guessing we probably won't have a lot of time. We might not even get to this video. I can try to link this one also in Google Classroom so you've got something to watch. Other than that, keep working hard, keep being kind to one another, and we'll get you caught up when you return. Have a great day, Middle School East.